Are you tired of adulting, stressed out by bills, chores, and responsibilities?
Life can get overwhelming. Adulting is hard, especially when you're still an overgrown child.
Introducing LifeFlow, the ultimate app that makes adulting easy, even for the biggest kids.
LifeFlow makes all the money stuff work.
Money stuff used to be hard, but now I don't have to use my brain.
Oh my god, how do you even clean a toilet? What soap do I even use in the dishwasher? It's like rocket science.
What? You mean I have to feed this dog if I don't want it to die? That's so bogus.
Sometimes I forget to wipe my own butt when I poop, not anymore, thanks to LifeFlow.
LifeFlow will help you navigate the everyday challenges of adulting. You can substitute your brain with a smartphone app. No one needs to know you're an overgrown child who can't wipe their own ass. LifeFlow. Simplify adulting, embrace life. Available now on iOS and Android. Now download it, you dummy, and don't forget to wipe your ass.